Oh, you are just filming everything.
I'm a fool for that shake in your thumb. I'm a fool for that sound in your slums. I'm a fool for your belly. I'm a fool for you. I wanna make this play. Oh, I know your face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop. So today I'm building this.
Oh, I know your face.
Where's that put?
Held in your arms. Like a
That stinks. Did you write that just now?
No.
Yes, you did.
in a natural spring. It's just a thing between us. I wanna make it play. Oh, I know your face. Don't close your head. I wanna make this play. Oh, I know you're faded. But stay. Don't close your head.
It's Sunday. Is it Sunday? Sunday, 29th. We're going to go and play some tennis soon. But, just thought I'd show you this. This is what I made yesterday. The table. It's pretty good. Clears it off my desk. And now it doesn't shake my desk when it's being used because it's quite aggressive. Who knows how aggressive it was, but anyway. So we're going to play tennis in the park for 2 hours. Get some fresh air. I heard you come in. I got a mic there for you.
For why?
Just for speaking. No, you don't have to have it if you don't want to.
Just getting me coffee.
Oh, Holly's still poorly today. We're playing golf.
Yeah.
You're gonna say anything? Okay, we're in a rush now, so let's go. Just arrived at golf. We're gonna film short form today, so they're in there.
Gosh, man, I'm just
We're
walking.
in Costco.
We're not in, we're actually outside Costco.
I can't film. We're about to go to Costco. Holly wants to get some gaffer tape for the bedroom. But
Can't say that.
what did you say?
Why has that just got a price to itself?
This is the last one.
Let's continue.
Ow. Nice. Do you like the mini pancakes? Pork? Did my one say pork or beef? Beef, because it's beef Wellington.
Yeah.
It's not pork Wellington. This is what we need. A rump.
Like that actually makes me want to not eat meat again.
No. You just ran off. You ran off.
What do you like? Let's go.
I found some.
Let's get some fruit.
Okay. Raspberries?
Strawberries covered in chocolate. Chocolate covered strawberries, also known.
For tomorrow.
And some today. Oh, that says Mac. That was so funny watching you the whole way.
I was lost. You
the
lost.
whole way I was
you
watching
went away.
Mushroom paste.
What do you think of Medjool dates?
No. What about pineapple? Oh my god, look how big these pineapples are.
Hold it up next to your head.
Look at this one. That is the biggest pineapple I've seen.
That is a big pineapple. Do you want some pineapple?
I do love pineapple.
Get it then. Fine.
£3. Would you eat pineapple? Should we get the big one? Which one's the ripest?
You have to pull the leaf and see if it comes out.
No, you smell it.
Oh, that's not very big. It's the one we normally get. We're back from Costco. It was successful. What did you say? What do we have for dinner?
Pizza.
From where?
I'm looking now.
Of the express variety, maybe.
Ding, ding, ding.
SD card speed slow shooting may stop. Because I'm using the backup SD card. The secondary one. We just ordered Domino's.
Love his hair look.
Yeah, not my best.
Let's go.
Anyway. Oh, we're going right now.
Well, let's prepare downstairs.
What do we have to prepare for?
Put the film on, get our DCs ready.
Okay.
Plates.
Don't be silly.
I thought we were going to prepare first, but you've just gone straight, ready to go.
Yeah, because what are we preparing?
Let's go.
Make sure you pull the bells so we can get out. Who's a good girl? Who's a little good girl? Doosh. Oh.
ugly. That door is so hard to open.
Which, my car door or
Slam, no, that one. I slam my...
quick. Explain what you've done this morning.
Why do you speak like that? Explain what you've done. I've done painting.
Show us the painting. It's on the bed. That was a rubbish showcase. Here, what I've done this morning is I failed to put up a gate and it's ripped it off the wall.
Failed?
It's ripped it off the wall. But I'm currently 3D printing a drawer that's going to go underneath like that. So I've got the drawer part, now I'm doing the inserts, and then I'll do the bits that actually hook around so it slides. Long story short, I'm a legend. So this is what I 3D printed today. My favourite part is this pen holder, because it's so perfect. It fits it like exactly. And I put it in like that, and the ruler goes on top, and it's in there. And it's away. It's pretty good. Lunchtime. No, you do it slowly so I can. Holly's matching her shirt with her shoes. She thinks she's pretty cool. And her jeans with her jacket. She just said before this video, like, do you think I look really cool? And I said, no. I'm gonna get lunch and fill up Holly's car with petrol.
Please, can you fill it
Yes, fine. I'll just pay for everything.
up? No, I'll pay. You.
That'll be a first, wouldn't it?
But I only want to pay for as much as can get.
£20. That's so selfish of you. Yeah.
That's mutual sensation. Matt's been a good Samaritan helping this old man because we're stuck behind him in the petrol lane. And he's got a broken foot and he's elderly. Oh. Hi everyone, so we have no plans for New Year's. Hang on, let me just get in here because I've got something to show you. Something's cooking up in a 3D printer and it's for me. Here it is. a vase for my Lego flowers that I'm going to build next week. So the plan is, well, we were supposed to be having an early night, but now we're not because, well, we probably still will, but now we don't have to be up early, so all the plans have been ruined kind of, which has annoyed me a lot, but I'm in a better mood now. So we're still gonna try and have a good night and just, you know, chill, have some steak and chips, and we're gonna play pool. And that's that. Yeah. Let's pretend to shoot like a video where I'm like the monster chasing you and you have to run, and let's see how good the camera work is. Okay?
When does it start?
It's starting now. Are you ready to go downstairs?
Sorry?
Are you ready to go downstairs?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, I haven't caught up yet. Oh my god, I almost fell.
It's on. It's an essential. We're making peppercorn sauce. And we're actually, I say we, Holly's really going for it.
Role playing as if we're in the Victorian era.
Got some shallots cooking away. Got some this and cream.
We've got some cream simmering on the fire outside.
And we're reverse searing the steak. So
Matt went out and hunted today.
Holly thinks we're in the 1500s because we're cracking pepper with our pestle and mortar, but it's not. It's not the end of the world.
I know, but that's like a Victorian dish.
That's what you do. Anyway, it's all stressful. Yes, please. That might be quite peppery.
Oh, should I not do
No, I don't think. Ready?
You don't petty pepper.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Quick!
You know it's a good steak that can just stay upright like that. Reverse seared tomahawk steak. Perfect. Are you excited?
Yes. It's a bit dark in here, don't you?
If you not. That's more than cooked enough for your liking. That is a good steak.
Like there's Miley Cyrus in the background. It's pretty good chips. I'm dying. Thanks for getting all the candles out for us.
You did, even I love hot one.
Oh my. You've
Got one in. There's a stripe. That's pretty good.
I didn't get any in.
Unlucky. Holly wants to make a TikTok. Embarrassing. What are you eating? Nice. It's like a war zone.
It's kind of terrible, isn't it?
Wow, there's so many everywhere you look. It's going. It's the 1st of January, 2025.
Happy New Year.
That was a weird way of saying it. But we're going for a run to start the year right. Because Holly has to do, wants to do 45 minutes a day of exercise.
That makes it seem like I've never done exercise in
She's
my
never
life.
done exercise in her life.
This was quite a usual thing for me anyway last year. Not towards the end.